Good day everyone, my name is Jeremy James L. Palamini and I'm a dedicated and results-driven electrical engineer with 2 years of experience in designing, developing, and maintaining electrical systems across commercial environments. I hold a degree in electrical engineering from Camarines Norte State College and I am a licensed registered electrical engineer with a strong foundation in both theoretical principles and hands-on applications. My key strengths include strong problem-solving skills, attention to details, ability to manage complex projects from concept to completion. I'm proficient in tools like AutoCAD, MATLAB, and PLC programming, and I have hands-on experience with power distribution system, circuit designs, and load calculations. In my previous role at my previous company, I led a team that reduced system downtime by 30% by proactive maintenance strategy and automation upgrades. Also, when I face a challenge, I approach it methodically. First, I take time to fully understand the problem by gathering data and identifying the root of cause. Then I break it down into manageable parts and consider multiple solutions, weighing the risk and benefits of each. I often consult with team members or relevant experts to get inputs and ensure we're not missing anything. Once a solution is chosen, I implement and carefully monitor the results and make adjustments if needed. I bring a combination of technical expertise, practical experience, and a proactive attitude. I don't just meet technical requirements. I look for ways to improve processes, reduce costs, and enhance safety. I thrive in team environments, but also work well independently. I'm confident that I can bring added value to your projects from day one and committed to continuous learning and distributing to your success. So that's all. Thank you.